Yes, anak. Inside the line. Inside the line.
Inside the line? Okay, I'll go inside that line. Inside the line.
Okay. Good job.
No, wala pa.
Wala pa din. Next go.
Again,
Saan na nga shape?
this triangle.
Good job.
Ma,
Yes,
only
anak.
color pink triangle.
Yes, anak.
Looks like a terrible triangle.
Terrible triangle.
Yeah.
Terrible triangle.
It's the pretty triangle.
It's a pretty triangle. Okay, good job. Next shape.
That's the underly blue.
Okay. Saan yung next shape?
That's square.
Good job.
Squares like
You're
that.
correct.
You're correct, my right.
You're right. You are right.
Mama,
Inside the line, ha? Inside the line. Yes,
Mama.
anak. Yes, anak.
can you help me?
Yes. Okay. I will hold your hand lang. Okay. I will hold your hand. You say, can you please help me?
Yeah.
Ana ha? Okay. Ask me again. Ask me again. Can you please help me? Ikaw masulti ni mama. Sige, ask si mama.
Can you help me?
Please. Put please.
Please. Mama, Mama,
Yes, sir. Sige, next.
could you help me, please?
Okay, anak. I will hold your hand. Inside, ha? Inside the sphere. Inside the sphere. Yes, anak.
What's our color square?
Yes. Saan yung color sa sphere? Color?
Blue.
Good job.
I want to draw this color square. Looks
Tara,
like
tara. Okay, good job.
all the shape.